garden away. My petals are soft and silky as my spirit. So do not be afraid to get ready.
It was so YouTube, back another video, and today you already know it's tea. So today is gonna be very spontaneous. I do plan on going to the beach, so I'm trying to see like how I'm gonna do that. I already took care of like my mental health stuff. I already went to the doctor, this and that with the wool. Now this is gonna be a time where I'm genuinely just taking care of my mental health. And yeah, like, join me on the journey. Ooh. 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 Okay. Now I'm just like, I just want it, I guess I just want it to be like a little thinner. Not gonna lie. Cause it's like what I did, like how I had it, it just was looking, I had a mess. Like I just want it to be like a little tighter. Like, is that a crime? I literally been saying that. I be asking for the most smallest stuff and like, and people, and me, be making it hard. Like, I don't know. But it's me looking in the mirror trying to make sure. I think that's like my biggest fear, like a rubber band just snapping in public. And then like I only have like one puff or something. Like, but yeah. On to the video, yeah!
How is it rose in the garden away? My petals are soft and silky as my spirit. So do not be afraid to get pricked by the thorn. While I'm here, I'm someone to honor. When I'm gone.
Cause I just touched my waterline. Like I'm very sensitive. No, don't cry. Don't cry. Please don't
Take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the broken, share that heat of love.
I'm kind of bored. I don't know what to do. I'm just here. Like, just, I don't know, just being the 22-year-old I am. You know? So, yeah. But I'm having fun doing it. And it feels good to know that I'm away from, like, people. You know, not like people in general, but like just crazy people, you know? So yeah, I just don't want to be around nobody. even though I'm at the beach where like everybody is at, a lot of these people definitely haven't seen me around. You feel me? And one thing about the beach, like when you go to the beach, you're going to be around people that's genuinely just coming for the beach, you know? Not trying to like hook up, no, none of that. Like they just coming for the beach. Like they coming for the water. They're not trying to get wet. They coming for the water, if that makes sense. So yeah. I don't know, but I'm just enjoying it, honestly. It's beautiful. So right now I'm just collecting shells. Yeah, like basically I'm just feeling as I go. Oh my god, see, I found one. Ah! But yeah, I'm putting them in my little thingy. It's kind, right? Yeah. So I'm like, I think I should like add it to my collection, like in my room, and just have some like shells and stuff. Like I think that would be cute, and that would be like a part of my little aesthetic, putting shells everywhere, like sticking them. So yeah. Okay, so I wanted to make this song, and I wanted to name it Sally Sells See. I wanted to name it, you know, Sally from the seashells, right? And she sells shells by the sea shore, right? I'm thinking of naming it that, but I can't even pronounce the name of the song that I wanted to make. Make it make sense. Like what? I couldn't even make a song. Like I can't even say my own title to my song. Like how does that make sense? But I feel like my lips are crazy dry right now. No shade. It's no shade. But it's like sails by the shore. It was gonna be like sails by the shore. You know, something like that. Like it was gonna be of that kind of rhythm. But yeah, I'm thinking about making an EP or something. I think I want to. I want to get back to my music stuff and just have fun, you know. Like I want to get back to all of that. Like for realsy. I'm gonna put some of this on me so I can smell like some peppermints at the beach. Hey, it's timid. You know it's tea when I'm seeing them fingers touching. How does this hurt? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at those legs. He's like somebody sometimes I be feeling like people don't get it. Like, you know how when you used to draw when you was little If you could draw. If you was drawing when you was little. If you wasn't an iPad kid. I think if you knew how to draw, then you would understand what I mean by this. You know how, like, I say people don't get it? I feel like people don't get it when I do things because I'm always in the process of finishing something. So, you know, I never really, like, have the time to actually explain what I'm doing from, like, data to data. You know, and people just don't get it because it's like drawing a picture. When you start at the beginning and you like finally starting to like connect the nose and stuff like that, they're not gonna get it until you actually start, you know, near done to the finished product of like what you're building. So you have to allow people to just, you know, just give people grace. That's why I say give people grace, because you have to give people grace because people not gonna get it because they haven't seen nothing. You know, they didn't see what you see because you have to bring your vision to life. They can't go in your brain and actually see what you see. You know, like people aren't mind readers. So when people don't understand what you putting out, don't get irritated by the fact that they don't understand what you putting out. You gotta have to let them just see what you do.
How was the rose in a garden of waves? My petals are soft.
Yeah, there's a seagull just staring at me. I'm not even eating nothing. Like, I know I look like a snack, but that doesn't mean stare at me. Like, come on now. Like, what's really tea? Like, what's really tea? Is it the perfume? Because he's getting closer. I think it's the perfume. He could smell this pussy from a mile away. Girl.
How was the rose in a garden of waves? My petals are soft and silky as my sheet.